guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this look right here for the 4th of July. So if you guys are curious how I got this look and whatnot, continue watching. So first I'm going to put on my ears. Move all this hair out of the way. Alrighty guys, so I already have most of, well, all of the base stuff on. So I'm going to jump right into doing my eyeshadow. So I'm going to be doing obviously red, white, and blue makeup for the 4th. I'm going to start with this H&M eyeshadow. It's called Moondust and it is like this beautiful sparkly white color. So I'm going to take that and apply it to my whole lid. So this is going to be kind of like the white part of my look. Okay, so that is the first eye. I'm gonna put it on this eyelid now. So that is going to be my white. I know that's super little amount of white, but so base is on. Now I'm gonna go in with H&M. It's called Blueprint and it's like super dark blue. It's like a navy blue. I'm just gonna take like a blending fluffy brush. So this will be, I'm pretty sure this is the darkest blue. Let me make sure. Yeah. Okay, so Blueprint. We're just gonna start out with kind of a little bit, but I feel it's gonna be pretty dark. Yep, so I'm putting this in my crease. Super blue. I'll do this side. So what do you guys like to do for the 4th of July? You should comment down below and let me know. I go up to Vail with my family and family friends. They come and visit from Tennessee every single year and we just have like a lot of fun up there. We go and just hang out and look at all the shops and kind of like enjoy our time up there. Vail is so beautiful and like a lot of people go up there for their fireworks and it's just like super duper like populated with like people just because they put on a really good fireworks show. So I feel like every year it's gotten crazier and crazier. We like always sit at this specific table every single year. Like no matter what, it's crazy, but it's so much fun and we do it. We've done it the last like 4 or 5 years now. So we used to go up to this lake that's close to Vail and it's really beautiful and there's like fireworks right on the lake. Like it looks like you're looking at them like right above. It's so cool. I can't remember the name of the lake. I wish I could. I haven't been there in so long, but it was so much fun to go there too. And it's like up in that area, but I can't remember. And then I've been to Idaho Springs before and they have like a waterfall that they do it down and it's really cool. They have like fireworks and they turn into like a flag going down the waterfall. So there's a lot of really cool places and then obviously like Denver has really good fireworks and you know all the places. So yeah, I don't know what you guys do, but that's what we do. Vail, hang out, enjoy it, chill, and then just enjoy the fireworks and then we go home. Like a lot of people stay up there. We drive 2 hours up to drive 2 hours away again. 4 hours of driving in one day. Ridiculous. But anyways, now I'm gonna go in with this color. It is called Peacock and it's like a medium blue and I'm just gonna take another fluffy brush and I'm just gonna apply this one right below the super dark blue I just did, just to kind of intensify these outer corners. And then I'm just gonna like slowly blend it over, but not all the way, almost all the way, but not. Also, did you know that like fireworks that leave the ground, pretty much that like shoot up into the air, are actually illegal in Colorado just because we have like fire hazards and whatnot here. So we are not supposed to have fireworks like that. It's pretty crazy. So we just kind of get like smaller, like not as crazy fireworks. Or a lot of people like to drive up to like Wyoming and purchase fireworks there because they're legal there. So they'll just go and grab them, bring them back. Crazy. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called Pagoda Blue and it's like this really light, pretty blue color. And I'm gonna take this brush and I'm just gonna put a tiny bit on my lid. Alright, and then I'm going to take some of this blue and I'm going to pack it under my eyelid. Not my eyelid. Under my lower lashes. I'm going to pack it under my eyelid. I don't think that's a good idea. I'm going to go back in with this first color and just blend a little bit more out. Wow, this is a lot of blue. I don't know. I was going to do blue eyeliner, but I feel like this is like a blue overload. They have this beautiful like NYX super like dark blue eyeliner, but I don't know. Let's do it. And if I have to go over it with black, then I'll go over it with black. Okay, hold on. We need to take this fluffy brush and a dust. There is some fallout from these eyeshadows just because, as you can see, they are super pigmented, but it does wipe away really easily. Now we're going to go in. Electric blue. I've actually never used this eyeliner before. I bought it just because it was like so striking when I saw it. I was like, someday I'll need to wear this in my life. I guess today is that day. Okay, so that is what that looks like. It is a very, very blue. But we're gonna go with it, because why not? I'm gonna do the other eye. So both of the eyes are done with the eyeliner. I'm just gonna blend that first blue color down into it. I'm gonna pick up a little bit more of it. Now I'm going to take some mascara, get some other color with black in there, I guess. Mascara on. Now I'm gonna put on some lip liner. I'm using the faded color from AOA Studios, and then I'm gonna take this red lipstick in Rouge from Arden, and okay, I forgot my little lip brush, so I'm just gonna use this little brush and then clean it off later. So this is my lip, super red. Now I'm going to glue on some eyelashes real quick. One more to go. Eyelashes are all on. I'm just gonna spray my face real quick. Off my little ears, and that is the final look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys try out this look, you should totally let me know. I know it's a little bold, but it's the 4th of July. You can go super crazy with red, white, and blue makeup, so why not? And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your evening, and I hope you guys have a great 4th of July, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys!